Check out what I received from Mixology and Crafts. These are a 6-pack of whiskey stones, and they're really awesome. They're made of granite, and you get 6 of them, and you place it into your glass. This is great for if you don't want watered down drinks. And you don't have to use it for whiskey. You can use it for any drink. It just makes it cold without getting it diluted. And especially good if you have expensive drinks that you're using. So this is what it looks like. This bottom area is made of real wood, and you can just put this whole thing in the freezer. And after a little bit, you take it out and it's good to go. And look how nice it is. You just put your glass right there and you put these in, and they're kind of heavy duty, as you can hear. And then you put in your favorite beverage. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. This is made of wood, and you're gonna get 6 of these granite wood stones. You put them in the freezer after you've washed them thoroughly, and then you're able to put it in your drink. And depending on how many you wanna use, you can use 1 all the way to all 6. And very simple to use, and it makes your drink nice and cold without getting diluted. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.